Hey guys, how you doing? DeWine Harden here, and welcome to a new video on my channel. Uh, if you guys are not familiar, if you're new to my channel, I teach you a lot about learning how to work from home. Creating a lifestyle that gives you the time and freedom. And just basically being true to a passion of being able to wanting to help people online, help them succeed, as well as your lifestyle grows, awesomely, should I say. Um, so basically today's video is going to be, can you start an online business for free? There's a lot of people that ask these questions. I come across it a lot. You'll definitely come across it a lot. And in regards to that, I even said in previous videos that no, you can't start a business online for free. Um, and let me be a little bit more correct with that. You can. Um, Now, and that's not to say that, you doing a business, starting it off for free and stuff like that. It is going to take a very long time for you to really start receiving, a huge return in investment, should I say, with that. That's, take in mind that, if you're starting a business for free, it's definitely going to take a lot more time, and you're not gonna receive results fast, and then at the same time, um, the idea of you getting free and wanting to spend time, with your family, and have, basically have a better lifestyle for yourself is going to be even longer. Yeah, there's a couple of things that, like I said, you can do to start a business online for free. In all aspects, there's a couple of things you could do, but when you all come around to it, as you start doing certain things, you're going to find yourself being limited, because you don't have all the resources in place to really take it to the next level. Like, say, for instance, you can easily, I've seen this, a lot online here, and this is another helpful tip for you guys is like, basically, bottom line, you can be a consultant. You know a little bit of online marketing and things like that. So you know how to market online. And then maybe you start watching a few videos on YouTube on how to do Facebook advertising and things like that. Or you can do, you're good at, or outsourcing or creating content. Whether you're doing blogs and things like that, you can do that on Fiverr, which is totally free. So yeah, you could start a Fiverr account if you're really good at writing content, and you can be a writer for other people, and that's totally free. And you can build up your clientele, and the more people that you're helping, they're going to give you reviews, and if you get great reviews and whatnot, then your clientele will increase and moving forward with that. So in all actuality, yes, you can start a business online for free. And that just takes it even a little bit step further, because on Fiverr you can do a lot more things than just being a content creator for blogs and things like that. You might be a really good person at proofreading and stuff like that, and you can proofread other people's work. You can also, if you're good at creating web designing and things like that, you can do those as well. So yeah, highly suggest you check out Fiverr if you're not familiar with it already. www.fiverr.com. And like I said, you can sign up with them for free. And there's other sites that are very similar to Fiverr that do the same kind of things that you can also sign up with them as well to get started with your business. And once you get started, once you get good at that, then you can, definitely progress to newer opportunities online. There's no affiliate portion like what I do. I do affiliate marketing, so there's no type of affiliate set up with Fiverr and stuff like that. So you can build up that, and then you can start doing some other things that have more of a passive, income for yourself. Because you do want to earn word for the time that you're putting in. At the same time, You want to be able to go on. You want to be able to travel if you're someone that wants to, do a lot of traveling, and or if you got lots more other different plans and things like that. You want to be able to receive an income during those moments and during those times when you're not actually working, and that's what the passive comes into play. And that's what, affiliate marketing does, a lot of passive income businesses, opportunities like that. So as you grow on your online, you might want to consider doing things like that in order for you to continue on having flow of income. So as I said before previously, can you start a business online for free? Yes, you can. Definitely can. And like I said, if you have some really good skills, you have a good skill set, there's opportunity for you to take that skill set and maximize off of that. So yeah, check out Fiverr. And if this was really helpful for you guys, please leave a thumbs up. Hit that bell for notifications. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll continue on putting out more content for you guys and to help you on your journey. At the same way, any comments that you leave for me and stuff like that, any questions will help me on my journey to be a better leader in this industry. Like I said, you got to lead, and at the same time, you follow. That's the keys to you becoming a better leader, is you got to follow first. You got to educate, and you got to build upon, and just basically be a driving force out here, be an inspiration, excuse me, an inspiration to the next person, and to help them on their way, on their journey. So I thank you guys for your time. And also, if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, learn more about achieving a passive income, please feel free to check out my link in the description. It'll be at the top for my #1 business opportunity that I'm involved in. And yeah, if you guys got any questions, hit me up and I'll be back to you. See you guys in the next video. Take care.